Just got a pool? Or maybe realizing the pool you do have needs a little more love? Today we'll cover everything you need to know to keep your pool clean, clear, and safe. The number one must-have for any pool is a good sanitizer. This helps kill the bacteria and keep the pool fresh and clean. We have a few options here, and I'm gonna go through some of those. One option is a dichlor shock. This dichlor shock here, it has a dichlor stabilizer in it. The stabilizer helps maintain the chlorine level for longer. So it's like a sunscreen for the pool. So every time you add this shock, it raises your stabilizer level. We also have a shock that has cal hypo in it, which is a calcium hardness. This doesn't raise your stabilizer level, but it raises your hardness level in your pool. This is a stronger, more higher chlorine level in this one. So this one is a burnout 73% total chlorine in that guy. We also have salt cell generators that can produce chlorine as well. So this salt cell generator here made by Jandy actually makes chlorine and keeps your pool sanitized without having to add tabs. Balanced water is happy water. pH and alkalinity balancers prevent irritation, protect your equipment, and stop water issues before they start. Here are some products we use to make that happen. We have alkalinity increaser, which brings up alkalinity when it's low. We have muriatic acid, which brings down pH when it's high. When we use these two together and balance these out, it makes your pool equipment more effective, it makes the chlorine more effective, and it makes everything work better. It makes the water more soft and more swimmable. The only way to know what your pool actually needs is to get it tested, and we have a couple options here at the store to do that. We have a home test kit, and then we have a strip kit. The strip kit is something that you open the lid, you grab a strip and dip it into the water, match it to the colors, and add what you need. This one, you'll add a chemical into the water basin with your water from your pool. It'll change a color, and then you'll add what you need according to the chart. We also want you to come into the store and get it tested here, totally free. If your water in your pool is cloudy, you may need a clarifier. We have a couple options here, and what a clarifier does, it takes the particles that are floating around in your pool that make it cloudy and make those particles fall to the bottom, so your vacuum will clean those up and make your pool crystal clear again. Your pool filter works hard to keep your pool water clear, but it can get clogged at times, especially here in Arizona with all the monsoons and weather that we have. So what we need to do is make sure that we are maintaining those filters often and making sure they're clean of debris, oil, and all the other things that go into your pool. So it's important to keep your pool filters clean. With these basics, you'll have everything you need to keep your pool clean and clear. Got questions? Stop by Bobbi's LeisureScapes and we'll help you out. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more fun in the sun.